What's going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. We're about to start this new week of trading, and we just got to jump right into Palantir. I was wrong about Palantir, and it's hard to admit, as a trader when you're wrong, but I was wrong about this company. I doubted it, I slept on it, and it just blew me out of the water. And then I started doing some research on why it has been running up so much, and is it justified? And I've come to the conclusion that Palantir is an amazing company. I had to do a lot of research. I had to watch a lot of videos and really get an understanding about what Palantir technology really is. And I gotta say, I'm sold. This company is the future right here. This company is making advances on technology and data analytics that we have never seen before. And it's not just regular data analytics, it is also military scale analytics as well. So the fact that they have large clientele, they have increasing revenue, and they have an insanely high demand for it, that makes this company a clear winner. Now, let's jump into a little bit about what Palantir does and why they are so successful. It's an American software company that specializes in big data analytics, and it was founded by Peter Thiel. I don't know if you remember this guy, but this guy was one of the biggest investors in Facebook way back in the day. So obviously has a lot of credibility to his name. If you're doing a lot of research on Palantir, it's crazy. There are different entities that they use it for. They're not only their corporate use, so they're using it with hedge funds, banks, and financial services, huge money makers, but they're also using it for U.S. civil entities, regular businesses all across America, such as like health institutes, retirement funds, Polaris projects, food world programs, like big institutions like that. And then, of course, their U.S. military and police technology. Some of their technology is so advanced, and that is why the U.S. government, the U.S. Department of Defense, the CIA, and tons of other things, including the Marine Corps, the Air Force, tons of other military entities in the United States and other countries have started working with Palantir. Even ICE, the Border Patrol, awarded Palantir with a $41 million contract to help build new intelligence systems. Like, these guys are scaling at a fast level. And when you are backed by the U.S. government, you know you're doing something right, and you know you're going to stay afloat. I'm not worried about this company at all. The only concern that I have with this company as of right now is its current valuation. If we look at it, Palantir is currently worth about $48.2 billion. And their revenue last quarter, I want to go and show you guys this because it's pretty important. Their last revenue right here, they are growing, as you guys can clearly see. They are up to 23.6 million in revenue, but they're still losing money. They've lost about $1 billion last quarter, but this is normal for companies that have, that are in the up and coming stages. It's normal to lose money, year over year, but the thing is they are growing at a fast rate, and they're getting their average revenue per customer is increasing. Now, this is huge because if it's one thing to grow customers, that's always great. There's another thing to grow average revenue per customer. If we look at it, that's a 38% increased average per customer, and their average revenue for their top 20 clients has increased 36% as well. That's huge. You want your big clients to stay, but you also want them to increase how much you're making from them. To make an extra 36% is huge. Their average customer is paying $23.6 million each. That's top 20. So they're growing very fast, and their scaling is huge as well. Their scaling is a lot more than people expected. Now, you also have to play devil's advocate a little bit. Okay, so it's important to do that for obvious reasons. Playing devil's advocate to find out both sides. And I think the biggest issue that people have right now is what Citron, which is a common short, basically came out and called it an all-out casino, which I think is a little exaggerated. I think they also said that about NVIDIA a bunch of years ago, which I don't agree with. I would not call this company a casino. I would say that it's run up a lot. It's run up a little bit, maybe too fast for people to be super bullish on and expect huge upside. But obviously we can't ignore the fact how amazing this company is and how much it's actually doing. But you know what? It doesn't matter about what it's doing right now. It matters what it's going to do. And what it's going to do is continue to increase, which it has over and over again. This company went public literally like, I think 2 months ago. Yeah, in September 30th, I think it was. Yeah, September 30th, it went public. So literally like 2 months ago, $9.50. And, at one point it hit $33.50. Like, huge increase, obviously a big run up. But when we're talking about a company, forward looking, that's so ahead of its time and run by an amazing CEO. Gotta respect the CEO. He's an amazing guy, true patriot for this country. I really respect that a lot. I'm expecting big upside from this company, and especially as our military becomes more technologically advanced. Who are they going to call on? A trusted client that they've used in the U.S. military before? Palantir Technologies. Guys, if you haven't looked at this stock already, keep it on your watch list. Watch the stock closely. If you see a big dip, use this as a chance to get in. If I see this thing drop under 25, I may have to jump in myself with at least a couple hundred shares, because I'm sold on this company and I think it's amazing. And a lot of people do as well. Some of these people are calling it the next Facebook or the next MySpace. Personally, I think it's going to be the next Facebook. MySpace died out. I don't see Palantir dying out anytime soon. It has such a strong police, military, and corporate presence, and a huge scaling opportunity, and along with increasing revenue. I don't see this company going anywhere soon. Maybe a slight pullback, but, just gearing up for its next run. Guys, if you haven't bought Palantir, I would definitely watch it. Look for a dip and maybe jump into it. I'm not a financial advisor, but I know a good company when I see it, and this is it. Guys, if you're a Palantir bull and been holding for a while, let me know in the comments below. I'm proud of you guys. Way to make money in this market. It's always awesome. And let me know what stocks you also want to see me review. Guys, I'll catch you in the market tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. It means a ton to me. Catch you next video, guys. Bye.